Hello and welcome. How are you all, students? Today we're going to do transformation of sentences. Now, students, whatever we have learnt in our previous classes, I'm just taking the transformation of sentences in the basic level for both spoken as well as for English basic, advanced, intermediate, because this is a basic part of English and we must practice as much as possible. So, transformation of sentences, today is 13. Now, I'm going to go step by step with the transformation. My friend having arrived, we went for a walk. Now, can you tell me what is the parts of speech in this? Now, the first one I'm going to tell you, okay? My, what will be my, students? My will be a pronoun. Friend will be a noun. Having arrived, I would say both are going to be verbs. Okay. We will be a pronoun. Went will be a verb. For is a preposition. A will be an article, and walk would be again. It can be a verb. It can be also a noun. Okay, one of the two things. Now the second line is he liked the place where he lived formerly. So he would be a pronoun because it is coming in. It is pronouns are used instead of nouns. Liked would be the verb. The is an article. Place would be a noun. Where would be a, what would you put where as? I would put it as a preposition. He would be a pronoun. Lived would be a verb, and formerly would be an adverb. The third line, Vineet was elected captain. Now Vineet is a proper noun, so you can put it as a noun. Was elected. Elected would be a verb, even was would be a verb, okay, helping verb. Captain would be a noun. This is how you will study the transformation identification of sentences. Okay, remember, keep in mind what are the parts of speech like noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, and there are so many others, articles, and there are many more. So keep all this in mind, conjunctions, prepositions, all of this is these are very important to keep. Okay, when you start understanding all this, you can always find the parts of speech in the sentences. Now this is for basic in both as I told you, for spoken as well as English advanced, intermediate for students. See, the basic will always be the same, okay, because these are the basic things which has to be taught to all the students, whether you are in school, college, or you're working, you're a housewife, you're learning English as a as a language enthusiast, whatever your situation or whatever you are doing, or whatever you are pursuing English for, you have to learn the basics first. And this is why I'm teaching you the basics of English and how you are going to utilize, because I have given you articles, you've understood the articles, you've understood the parts of speech. Now you should know where and how you can find out which is the part of speech. So this is very important, students. I hope you've liked my session. Okay, and do give me feedback only on the video that I make, okay, so that I can improve my work also. And I also give Zoom classes, so if you're interested in Zoom classes which are chargeable, you can always give a feedback. Okay, I have also my email ID where you can give your feedback, as well as you can let me know if you're looking for any Zoom classes. Okay, till then, thank you so much. You can also like and subscribe, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you.